Mabuhay, I am Azar Ian D. Canlapan. Let's talk about rapid tourism in City Hall is preparing for increasing visitors' arrival. Introduction of City Hall, historically known as a folklore and shamanic healing tradition, City Hall often dubbed the Island of Fire. Stakeholder perspective, economic windfall versus saturational guides. Directly benefit from the tourism boom as tourism is a primary driver of a local economy. Environment responsibility. As ecotourism grows, guides bear the burden of educating visitors and enforcing rules. They actively work to prevent ecological degradation by discouraging littering and managing carrying capacity at fragile spots like the Tubad Marine Sanctuary and Katoban Cave. Tourism impact. Economic boom. Tourism has driven the island of GDP and created thousands of new jobs of revenue project to hit 300 billion. Environment strain. Surge visitors numbers more than double the island's residents population, but pressure on coastal ecosystem-based management and infrastructure. Environment stewards. They enforce sustainable ecotourism guidelines by limiting group size at fragile sites, ensuring responsible snorkeling in marine saturation, and preventing plastic waste. Recommendation. Investment participation in City Hall real estate market. The rising demand for diverse accommodation has also created opportunities in the real estate sectors. Investors are increasing looking at beachfront properties, commercial spaces, and vacation homes to cater of growing numbers of tourists. Thank you very much. Mabuhay ay Azar Ian Di Canlapan. Thank you.